Olympic gymnast Danusia Francis is already eyeing how she can give back to Jamaica once she ends her gymnastics career. Francis, who is in the island on vacation, took the opportunity to share her knowledge with young gymnasts recently. It's not often that you get the opportunity to take instructions from an athlete who has represented the country at the Olympic Games. But several young Jamaican gymnasts benefited from that priceless opportunity.
Well, I feel very excited to get to meet her again and for the fact that she gets to tell me how I'm doing in my routine and help me a bit. When I finished my routine, she told me that it was a very nice routine. I need to work more on my elegance, and when I'm struggling, I should not show it to the audience. I should just act like it's a part of the routine.
Francis, who became Jamaica's second gymnast to compete at an Olympic Games, is open to returning to the country of her birth whenever she can to give back.
Yeah, I've already been coaching for a few years now, and just recently, obviously, with my knee not being able to train as much, I've been doing more coaching, and in the UK, kind of found some mentors that have really been helping me to take coaching to the next level. So it's been, as soon as I got here and I saw the gymnast training, I was itching to get in there, and I kind of waited for a second, and I was like, okay, Nicole, can I go and fix that and getting in there? So yeah, it'll be amazing to come back to Kingston for a few weeks at a time and just really be able to push the girls and help them get to that next level.
Francis was also impressed with what she saw from some of the young athletes.
The young ones, they're looking really, really good. They've got great techniques. I've seen them tumbling so far, and we're just moving on to beam. So their tumbling's looking great. With the dance aspect, I love that they're bringing some Jamaican flavour. I'm just going to try and refine it and make it more that gymnastic style that the sort of International Gymnastics Federation's looking for, but combine that with the Jamaican flavour. I really want to keep that and hopefully just get that Jamaican stamp on the gymnastics world, especially from this homegrown talent.
For Jamaica Amateur Gymnastics Association President Nicole Grant Brown, having the UK-based Francis give back to the program is a dream come true.
For the Commonwealth Games, last time we were given one spot. This time we are given 4 spots, and we are very elated for that. That's a very, very big jump for us in the space of a cycle. So definitely our gymnastics is growing. We now have our youngsters competing at the Junior Pan Am. Young homegrown gymnasts competing at such a big event, and that speaks volume to what we are doing locally in Jamaica. And with her coming on from time to time and helping us out, it's definitely a big thing for us.
Francis is likely to decide on her future in March after having surgery on a badly injured knee in September, an injury which had limited her participation at last year's Olympic Games.